let's see now the next important thing. Right now, here there are some representations you are going to have. Say, for example, if I am going to give you a if you have a language L which is based on set of alphabet A such that it contains O 0 only, and the regular expression is 0 star and 0. If it is 0 star 0, if the regular expression is 0 star 0, what you need to understand here, the important thing which you need to understand here is the symbol which is being referred. So 0 is being referred here, right? So this is 0. Please try to understand, uh, this is 0. Okay, this is 0. Now let us try to produce a word. So means what? Here, once you receive the regular expression as 0 star 0, so you need to understand that where is the closure. So closure is applied on this occurrence of symbol. So if you wish to produce the word, if we say this is 0 raised to 0, sorry, 0 raised to 0, yeah. So 0 raised to 0 and 0. Okay, 0 raised to 1, 0. 0 raised to 2, 0. 0 raised to 3, 0. Dash, 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 dash. 0 raised to n, 0. Okay, and here where we say n goes from 0 to infinity. Okay, so what this means? This means that though this has zero occurrence, but still you have got one occurrence of 0. Here this has one occurrence with concatenated with 1. So this is 2 zeros here. This is 3 zeros here. This is 4 zeros here. So many, so forth. Okay, so here you need to understand that that here this string must end with 0 here. String must end with 0. So here, if we have 0 occurrences of this, we still have 1 0. Here, if it is 1, we have 2 zeros. If it is 2 zeros, we have 3 zeros. If it is 0 raised to 3, we have 4 zeros, and so many, so forth. Okay, so let us try to have one more example here in this case. If you have a regular expression which is defined as, if you have a language L based on set of alphabet sigma such that it is consist of A and defined by A star. Okay, so A star. Then what are the propose say this is AA. Okay, propose the set of words in this case. So the set of words include here, the set of word includes here. Now here you need to write again A star A. So closure is applied on the first A. So means this first A has 0 or what? More occurrences. 0 or more occurrences. So and 0 or more occurrences, and string must ends with A. String must end with A. So in this case, it will produce words like A raised to 0 A raised to 1 A raised to 2A, so many, so forth. A raised to n goes from 0 to infinity. These are the words. So means in this case, empty string will not be generated. The word set will have at least one letter word, that is A. So if it is so, then we have to work for some proof also. See, for example, you have a language L. Just to take a case that you have a language L, which is based on set of alphabets uh, sigma, and sigma is containing A. Right. Now prove that A star is equals to AA star. Okay, prove that A star is equals to A star. So here, see, you have a regular expression in this case. So let us try to represent this into this form. Okay, so all your left hand side goes here, all your right hand side goes here. Now let us try to understand right hand side. Okay, so here we say that string must start with A. This is A, and string may ends with A. Okay, so here string must start with A, may ends with A uh, as 0 or more occurrence. Okay, means if it is a 0 occurrence, in this case, what you are going to have only A. So in that case, string ends with A only. If you have more occurrences, then how it is going to be? It is going to be, say, for example, A raised to 0, A raised to 1, A raised to 2, so many so forth. It is A raised to N, where we will write, say, N goes from 0 to infinity. So here, if it is 0 occurrence, then A epsilon, A, 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 so many so forth, A raised to N, where again N goes from 0 to infinity. So here you need to understand this is null, right? Okay, so this is gonna be, this is null, this is 1, these are 2, these are 3. Okay, so A gets concatenated with null is, answer is A only. This is 2 A's, these are 3. Okay, these are 4, and you can have N. Okay, so this is what the set of words, valid set of words for A star. Now, what are this case? In this case, you need to understand that this regular expression uh, may start with A. Okay, it may start with A. This may gives us a different perception. May means what? Okay, if it is not A, then what? Then what means it is starting here is that if it is a star, then it is epsilon. So it may start with A or what? Epsilon. So if it is epsilon, then there is a 0 occurrence of symbol. Okay, so it means what? And starts with A and may ends with A. It starts with A, it may starts with A and may ends with A. It means what? There is a clear possibility that it may not start, it may start. Okay, so with A or without A. So in this case, what is going to happen if it is the case? We'll say it is A raised to 0, A raised to 1, A raised to 2, A raised to 3, A raised to 4, A raised to 5, so is that A raised to N, where N goes from 0 to infinity. Okay, so it is A raised to 0 is epsilon, A, A. So this is actually the more repetition. So this is 0. So in this case, if you look at this set very closely, this set is epsilon, A, and so many so forth. So this set is containing epsilon, this is containing A. So means this will have A and this will have a 0 occurrence. Okay, so in this case, this set is different, this set is different. So you cannot say that these are same. Okay, so they are not equal. So the perception is that okay, they are not equals. So in this case, that if I say prove A star is equals to A star, so in this case means our question was prove A star is equals to is it like this? So the answer is false, right? So what I am expecting that you should try to say answer is false because A star is never equals to this. Now then can A plus is equals to A star then? Yes. What is your answer? Can A plus is equals to A star? Yes. Can A plus is equals to A star? So Amani is saying yes. Can A plus is equals to A star? The Amani is saying yes. Any other? Anyone else? Abhijit is also saying yes. Vaibhav is also saying yes. Okay. So yeah, Pawan is saying yes. Yeah, because Aman is saying that because the at the start you may start with one or more occurrences, one and more occurrences of A. So in that case, absolutely you are going to have the same sort of words. Okay, now let us try to have with this particular point we will come to know that yes, A plus and A star. So A plus and A star, these two closures you have understood very clearly. Now let us try to understand some more representation, uh, for now, so that we will extend our work further. Okay, so let's go ahead with this now. I'm going to add a page. Okay, now the things are becoming little difficult, right? So you have to say that there are like two operators we need to identify. Like say, since this is an expression can be like using some kind of thing, right? So we'll say that if you have a language L, say for example, take a case, you have a language L which is based on set of alphabet sigma, it contains A and B, right? And the regular expression is say A star B. So here now how you are going to understand this regular expression A star B. So as I said, you need to, in order to understand this, you need to think about on which symbol the closure is applied. So here this closure is applied only on A. So if it is applied only on A, then you have to say that the string may start with A. String may start with A, but it must end with what? It must end with B. It must start with A, but it may start with A, but it must ends with B. Means what? My words may start with A, so it means in this case A raised to 0 B, A raised to 1 B, A raised to 2 B, A raised to 3 B, A raised to 4 B, so many so forth, A raised to N B, where N goes from 0 to infinity. Now I hope you understand. So when I say it may start with A, so it may, whether it is starting with A now, A raised to 0, no. Here it is, this can be represented by epsilon B. So by epsilon I mean that this A raised to 0 is being represented by epsilon. So here starts with B and ends with B only. So here it starts with A, ends with B. It starts with 2A, ends with B. Now you have got 3 A's, B. You have got 4 A's here, B ends with B. Similarly, you have n concatenation of A and ends with B, where n goes from 0 to infinity. Okay. Now this is we can say example 1. Now, if I say for this same language, if I change the regular expression, okay, it means like, say for example, if it is say B is star B. Okay, so we can say the word here must start with B and ends with B. Uh, and in between uh, start and end of B, end